Okay, this weather sucks. It's raining, it's like 40 degrees out, but today we're gonna be making racing coilovers. These are just the street series, and I got them with the camber plates just on the fronts. That way, if I do have like rubbing issues and stuff, I can add a little camber. But we're gonna be going over to Phil Beck's garage, and we're actually gonna be installing them there. I'm out of breath. Why you bully? Why you bully? Okay, so we're doing coilovers today. And you said we're gonna start in the rear?
Yeah.
Okay, we're gonna start in the rear. I don't know how, oh, can't show the GTO. I don't know how any of this goes, but Dylan's done it before. Phil Beck just recently did it, so I'm gonna let them teach me how to do it, and hopefully I don't end up in tears. Literally the description.
Off-road use only. Haha, fuck it.
Stickers! Instructions. Oh shit!
They look clean, boy.
Damn.
They look really clean. I like the red colors.
I want to see. Dude, these look dope as shit.
Yeah, they don't look too bad.
Dylan's like, I'm pushing my VG.
Nope.
Dude, honestly,
They look sick. I like the red.
I love the color of them.
Too bad he's never gonna fucking see it.
I know.
Honestly, yeah, that like the red.
That looks so
Now you need red brides. What the hell is that thing?
Holy shit, that's tiny compared to mine.
Don't be dropping my shit everywhere.
They look the same.
Yeah.
Yep. Like that. God damn, it wouldn't move and it's. Grab it.
How does it feel? When did you say you put these mud flaps on?
2 years and 3 months ago.
You said it was November.
The 23rd. So yeah, exactly 2 years, 3 months ago. One looks like a 7 or 8. Alright, so both the rears are on. Oh, let me use my phone as a flashlight. Both the rears are on. Got these little springs in. It's gonna pop again.
Whenever you go up here, because it's gonna settle down that thing that's up top onto that.
Well, that's always my favorite.
Yeah.
Shocks are in, both sides done.
And
Took
then-
off those mud flaps.
Whenever you get it sat down, you're gonna get in the back of the car and jump a couple times to make sure it settles down.
Do my little bump in on the trunk.
Yeah, just to make sure it's locked.
All
Down
right.
in there, because if not, I mean, you're gonna hear it when you get in the car and drive off. You're gonna hear, you're gonna be like, what did I do?
I broke it. Go ahead and go.
How you looking on tire life?
Good.
There you go.
That's fucking high.
Well, you haven't adjusted it yet. And you haven't got in it and jumped down.
Oh, sad face. All right, so update here. Fuck, gotta bring out the flashlight again. All right, so put the coil in. top hat's in. We just gotta get everything completely tightened down. Yep. And then we're on to the next side. This side wasn't that hard, but on the other side, that bottom bolt there with the 10 on it, that's gonna be an absolute bitch because that's the one that the thread is a little iffy on. So that's gonna be our main problem on the other side, but it shouldn't be too bad. And after we get those lowered and everything, then we can start working on the actual height, right?
Yep, we can adjust after. More that low for right now until like maybe you go get your fingers rolled.
Maybe.
You gotta think of travel and good shit for that. I don't. Remember, I used a socket the first time.
All right, so we just now finished putting all 4 coilovers on, and what we did on the fronts here that we didn't do, or what we did on this right side front that we didn't do on the left side, was actually put a little bit of camber. So if you can see, focus, come on, put a little bit of camber right there.
Let it go.
Not much, but it's enough.
We'll have to add some camber on this side.
Oh yeah, we'll have to add some.
Because if you look at the difference, you have to add some.
I'm not entirely sure how well you can hear the rain hitting the building. It's monsooning. Yeah, let me go show you outside the door. Yeah, it's absolutely monsooning. We finished the coilovers. I think last time I showed you we were on the fronts up here. And so what we ended up doing was going about, what do you think, 2 degrees? Okay, well according to Dylan, we did probably about 1 degree of camber.
No, I mean, it might be right at 2, but mine looks more than the fucking thing at the fire discounters. They said mine was at like 2 something. And mine's definitely more than that.
But we added some camber to it just because that's what I wanted to do. And then in the backs, we actually adjusted the height, and I went as high as, or as low in the backs as I could go. Oh, look at this fitment. Ooh, half an inch. Yeah, okay, that's an inch. Okay, yeah, I lied, that's an inch. But yeah, that's low. Could you, sir? I'm sorry, he's been on his period for the last week because he's been working on his car, and I can't really control that, but I hope it gets better.
Fuck this clip.
They're both on their period. It's quite funny.
Oh yeah? How are you about those plastic clips? Fuck those clips.
Fine.
Okay, I'll just cut this out.
Okay, so this is how stiff his bitch is. Look at this thing. Yeet, 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 yeet. I'm really tired of doing that.
How stiff is this dick, boy?
Yes, I'm hiding in my car because it's a lot more quiet than the stupid speaker that Dylan's blaring, and they can't make fun of me in here because I got tinted windows. Okay, but coilovers, I like them. I'm really sad that no one's ever going to see them because they look so good. They look so good. We were talking just now about making like a table using coilovers as the legs. That would be sick. But I mean, you can go check out Megan Racing just to see the coilovers that they have. I chose these over BC just because they were $100 cheaper and they're pretty much the same. Had the camber plates and everything. But you can go check them out. And I will see you guys later. First things first, I keep telling you guys I'm going to make a video regarding how much everything on my cars cost. Now that I have the coilovers on, I'll make a video over that. And that'll come up after this, hopefully. But yeah, I don't know when the next time is that I'll see you guys, but peace.